ATF exchange and flush machine. A manual design and easy to operate. It can be used for automatic transmission clean and oil exchange. When you receive the package, there is a box of ATF adapters and 4 pieces of wheels. Install the wheels before operating the machine. Find the ATF adapters that match the car's transmission. Connect to AC power supply. The machine's indicator light is on. There are 2 hand valves on the machine. Left valve, right valve. When performing flush work, turn left valve to the recycle position, as well as the right valve. This red pipe is the new oil pipe. It's for the new oil in the machine flows into the car. The black pipe is the old oil pipe. It's for old oil in the car flows back into the machine. Connect the 2 pipes to appropriate adapters. Then connect them to the oil inlet and oil outlet of the gearbox respectively. Start the car. The machine starts to flush the transmission. You can see that old oil begins to pass through the old oil window. The oil in the transmission begins to flow from the car to the machine, passes through the filter and then flows back to the car. You can flush the car 10 minutes, then exchange the transmission fluid. Pour new oil from the oil inlet port and check the oil level. After flushing, turn left valve to pressure exchange position as well as right valve. Turn on the red switch. The machine starts to exchange the gearbox oil. The gearbox oil in the car will flow into the old oil barrel. New oil flows into the car. Observe the amount of oil in the old oil barrel. If the old oil is consistent with the initial amount of new oil, the color of the old and new oil is close to each other. The exchange oil is finished. Turn off the car. Turn off the red switch. Remove the 2 oil pipes from the car. Check the gearbox oil level again to make sure there is enough oil in the car. Finally, open the back cover of the machine. Lift out the old oil barrel and pour the old oil to a can.